Hey guys, what's up? How is your IELTS preparation going on? You are preparing for IELTS speaking. You have few questions on your mind. Definitely this question is there as well. Can I ask examiner to repeat? Will it put a negative impact? How the examiner will feel about me if I ask the examiner to repeat? If you want the answer to this question, please watch this video till the end and you will definitely get the answer to this question. Before I move, I request you to please subscribe my channel, help me to grow more so that you can get the best advice and the best information related to IELTS. So, you are going to take the IELTS exam and you are worried that whether you can ask the examiner to repeat or not. If you think so, it is quite reasonable for you, but it is not like this. It is your right. Even in your regional language, when you talk to someone and if you do not understand, it is quite reasonable for you to ask the person to repeat. And this is very obvious in the IELTS exam as well, because you don't know the examiner may be from Canada, he may be from your country, he may be from a different region of your country. Because of that, his accents may be quite different for you to understand. So it's not like all the examiners have American or British accents. So there are high chances that you may not get them at the first go. Here you certainly have the right to request them to repeat. However, it should not be very abrupt. Speak again. You can't say the examiner like this. You can't even say, tell me again. No, you should be very polite and you should be phrasing it very appropriately. For example, for those who really cannot say anything and find it very difficult, they can simply say, pardon please. Else, the most appropriate phrase is, would you mind to repeat the question for me, please? Or would you please repeat the question for me? In fact, if you don't even understand the question at second time, still you can ask the examiner to repeat. However, it should not be intentional. It should not show the examiner that you are trying to waste time by asking the question again and again. And I hope now you know your right to request the examiner to repeat question for you. However, make sure that it should be in a very polite manner. Ramandeep Singh say you goodbye right now, and I will catch you very shortly with more useful and interesting videos.